Dear students, in our microeconomic analysis, utility is one of the most important variable. What if we are given marginal utility and we want to find out the total utility? Here again, integration can help us. Let us see how. As you can see, our objective is to convert the marginal utility function into its total version. And for that, it is very suitable to use a numerical example. Here we can say that a marginal utility function is something like this. So x is the independent variable and x, the consumption of x actually determines the level of marginal utility. So there is a certain limit in which we have to analyze this utility function. That is the consumption from 16th unit till the 100th unit. So these two minimum and maximum values are going to give us the lower and upper limits. And for that, we will use the definite integration. Before we do that, we are getting an idea of how the diagram will look like. How will this utility function appear in a graph? So you can see that there is a certain relationship here depicted with the help of this diagram. It's a marginal utility function. That is why it's in this certain shape. Now we are assuming that the lower and upper limits are from 16th to 100th. And this is the given function, the left hand side of which we have taken the definite integration, and the lower and upper limits are as we said before. और ये है उसकी right hand side जिसे हम numerically solve करेंगे. Now these steps are very easy for you because आपने integration की हुई है, and you can use these steps to confirm the solution. Here again आपके लिए rehearsal of doing definite integration. So we can see we are going through a lot of steps in order to get to the final solution. And now further we are coming to more numerical form of results. Again, this is a DIY. And here we are having the marginal utility from the 16th to the 100th unit, and this is the value of that. After doing all of the arithmetics, हमारे पास इसका final जवाब आ गया. इसे हम कह सकते हैं कि अब हमने ये total utility निकाली है within the range of 16 and 100 units. The total utility of the good from this unit to that unit, that is 16th to the 100th unit, is equal to this. So you see that we are able to calculate the total utility function by using the marginal utility function. And we can also make a graph for that. And here you can see the graph appears something like this. It's a positively sloped curve. And definitely over time it will come down, because if the successive units of the good are used, as the total utility function normally behaves. So in this lecture, we learned that how integration can help us to find out the total utility while we are given the marginal utility function. Thank you.